1 plus secant x equals tangent x, and we want to solve for x on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. We have a Pythagorean identity that relates secant squared and tangent squared, but we don't have an identity that relates secant and tangent. So a technique that we might try on this particular problem is to square both sides. If we square both sides, on the left we'll get 1 plus 2 secant x plus secant squared x equals, on the right, we'll get tangent squared x. And then we can go back and rewrite this as the secant squared plus 2 secant x plus 1 equals, and we know that a tangent squared is equal to a secant squared minus 1. So now that's a Pythagorean identity. So now, collecting like terms, we can subtract secant squared from both sides, and we'll get 2 secant x plus 1 equals negative 1. So 2 secant x, subtract 1 from both sides, is equal to negative 2. And the secant of x is equal to negative 1. To solve this equation, I'm going to go back to the unit circle. Remember, our unit circle was a circle where the radius was 1 unit. So this is ordered pair 1, 0. This was ordered pair 0, 1. This is ordered pair negative 1, 0. And this was ordered pair 0, negative 1. And so secant is the reciprocal of cosine, and cosine is the x-coordinate in the unit circle. So we're looking for the reciprocal of negative 1, which is negative 1, to be the x value, and that happens whenever x is equal to pi. So the answer to this question is x equals pi.